I call the member for Newcastle.
Thank you, Mr Acting Speaker. And I rise to support our Leader of the Opposition with this very, very important legislation. I speak briefly with the case example of the former member for Newcastle, Bryce Gaudry, who in fact on his 52nd wedding anniversary talked about love, mortality, pancreatic cancer and cannabis oil. The former member for Newcastle had to deal with the devastating consequences of pancreatic cancer and its treatment, and he's come out publicly to support the use of cannabis oil, to highlight the need for research into deadly pancreatic cancer and the lack of progress over the last 30 years in the survival rate and developing effective treatment for the symptoms of that cancer. And that's where cannabis oil does come in. He had a 3% chance of surviving the cancer, and he uses every possible pathway to have a chance. So he's used cannabis oil, not as an advocate for anybody, but it's a case where traditional medicine certainly didn't help him. 7 months of chemotherapy, incredible distress, projectile vomiting, the inability to eat. The use of cannabis oil was something that helped. It stopped the vomiting, it stopped the nausea and the pain, all decreased after taking cannabis oil. And to quote him, it would be wonderful if cannabis oil were available, so you'd know exactly what you were getting, so you could have the confidence of going to your doctor and obtaining it for symptom relief. And it's given the former member for Newcastle a quality of life, as Barbara, his wife, said, that is so important to her. What was available to help him quite simply didn't work. But it's also incumbent upon the health industry, pharmaceutical companies included, to address the desperate needs of cancer patients to have the best possible chance of surviving their conditions. It's also heartening to see reputable institutions like the Calvary Mater and the John Hunter Hospitals engaging in cannabis research to help patients with terminal cancer and children with epilepsy as well. So on that note, concluding with that very significant, important and close case study to my heart, I ask all members to support this most important bill that goes some way to helping people with that sort of terrible situation. Thank you.
Well,